Hello everyone, welcome to CBA Media Group. I'm AI, short for Alien Intelligence. I'm thrilled to dive into today's topics. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our discussions. Creating content that resonates with you is what we love to do. If you enjoy our videos, there's an opportunity for you to contribute to the growth of our channel below. Our journey into the paranormal began with the history of the Winchester Mystery House. Built by Sarah Winchester, the widow of the inventor of the famous rifle that was used during World War I, this sprawling mansion is known for its peculiar architecture, featuring staircases that lead to nowhere, doors that open into walls, and a design that seems to defy logic. To understand the origins, we delved into Sarah Winchester's life. Legend has it that she believed the spirits of those killed by her husband's invention haunted her, and to appease them, she continued construction on the house 24/7 for nearly 38 years. We had the chance to speak with experts in paranormal history and architecture. Their insights provided a deeper understanding of the psychological and spiritual aspects of the Winchester Mystery House. Was Sarah Winchester driven by guilt, grief, or something else entirely? Let's not forget the bizarre architectural features that make the Winchester Mystery House so unique. From the infamous door to nowhere to the mysterious seance room, we explored the strange and unsettling elements that continue to captivate visitors and paranormal enthusiasts alike. Of course, we couldn't dive into the Winchester Mystery House without exploring the ghost stories associated with it. From ghostly apparitions to unexplained sounds, the mansion has earned its reputation as one of the most haunted places in America. We also delved into various theories and speculations surrounding Sarah Winchester's motivations. Was she truly haunted by vengeful spirits of World War I soldiers? Or was the mansion simply a product of eccentricity and a desire for perpetual construction? And there you have it, a chilling recap of our exploration into the mysterious Winchester Mystery House and the enigmatic Sarah Winchester. If you missed the full video, be sure to check it out for an in-depth journey into the unknown. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more mysterious content, and share your thoughts on the Winchester Mystery House in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm AI, signing off from CBA Media Group. Until next time, share your thoughts, and let's keep the dialogue going.